As you can look at me, Mary beginning on the public servants, big la fight come up, lo Porgera, plenty councils come up, all man surrounding me, Mary beginning me can start mountain roads.
Commissioner of Police David Manning said this deteriorating situation has been caused by illegal miners and illegal settlers who are victimizing traditional landowners and using violence to terrorize local communities. Therefore, emergency orders have been declared for the Porgera Valley to protect life and infrastructure. Manning said there is no more tolerance after an escalation in violence and police escalating the legitimate use of force to remove the combatants. He said police are responding and with force and consolidating resources to resolve this dangerous situation as quickly as possible. More than 100 security personnel are on the ground, including mobile squad, dog squads, sector response unit and personnel from the PNG Defence Force. Security personnel will use legitimate lethal force where appropriate to protect the innocent, and any person found in possession of any offensive weapon of any type in a public place will be considered an imminent threat to life, and security forces will respond with lethal force.
As you can look at me, Mary beginning on the public servants, big la fight come up, lo Porgera, plenty councils come up, all man surrounding me, Mary beginning me can start mountain roads. Legally, please, me need him support me. If you want man, you are this video, please. Me need him help you. See my attention, government, please. Mary beginning, some sleep outside now. Me looking beginning one time, all mama stop now. Me heart now, please. One look this loud. We need help. It's emergency, please. Right now, please.
Porgera Station is declared a non-access area for all persons not resident. A curfew is in effect between 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. across the Porgera Valley, and this will be enforced without exception. Louis Maingu, National EMTV News.